As you can see, I got mine in space gray. This is the 64 gigabyte model, and it's not expandable, so if you think you're going to need more space than that, just start off with the 256 gig model. It feels super professional. I like the feel on the screen, and these edges right here, they're nice and rounded, and the back of it too just feels like what you would expect an Apple product. You know, it feels like it's really high quality and built really well. This is cool. So as you can see, it comes with the device itself, comes with the user manual right here. They always include stickers like this with their products. Comes with a USB-C charging cord and a wall adapter for your charging cord. It says that it has an 8.3-inch liquid retina display. The iPad itself is about 7 3/4 inches by about 5 1/4 inch. Diagonally from corner to corner, it's about 9 inches, and it's super thin. You can see here that it only comes with one port, and that's for the USB-C connection right there. You can also see the speakers sticking out the bottom of it. On the top, we see more speakers. We see the power button over here with the Touch ID technology, and we see the volume buttons over here. So let's turn it on and see what happens. And now we go into the setup. You can see here that to get your fingerprint on the ID, you just cover it a couple different times until they register it, and then it will only open for your finger. As you can see here, it works really well out of the box, but I want to get more in depth on this than just flicking around these screens right here. So let's go check out how well this A15 Bionic chip lets you enjoy things like some graphic intensive gaming, maybe if you need to do some video or photo editing software, maybe it does some AR, but this is definitely good for your rapid everyday use as well. Now I honestly can't believe the sound we're getting out of this thing. Those 4 speakers on the sides of this give a really nice, rich, loud stereo sound. I love it, man. That's really surprising and awesome. You can see that it takes a bunch of good photos in all kinds of different light conditions and photo styles right here. I'm using all kinds of different settings to take pictures like these. And here you can see a sample video that I took with it. I want to see some things moving. I want to see some colors. I want to see how well this works in a couple different environments just to give you an overview of how well this camera actually works. You can see in the front-facing camera here how easy it is to switch between this camera angle and this camera angle, even though I haven't changed the distance it is for my face. It's just that I'm using the ultra wide camera in the previous form. So obviously I think this is great for content creators like myself, but it's also going to be really good for anybody who wants the most future-proofed iPad at the best price.